Making $1,000 a week online in 2025 is entirely feasible with the right mindset, strategies, and tools at your disposal. Many individuals have successfully leveraged the power of the internet to create sustainable income streams from the comfort of their homes. Whether you're looking for part-time work to supplement your income, or you're interested in establishing a full-time online business, the opportunities available are endless. In this guide, we'll explore 10 practical and proven methods that can help you generate $1,000 a week online. These approaches don't require extensive experience, but do require consistency, effort, and the willingness to learn. Starting with number 10, we have freelance platforms. One of the quickest ways to start earning money online is by utilizing freelance platforms such as Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer. These sites allow you to offer your skills to businesses or individuals who need your expertise. Whether you're a writer, graphic designer, web developer, digital marketer, or social media expert, there is a gig for everyone. The beauty of freelance platforms is that you can get started immediately without needing a lot of upfront investment. Simply create a profile, showcase your portfolio, and start bidding on jobs that align with your skills. If you're a writer, for example, you could start with content writing, copywriting, or blog posts. As you gain experience and positive reviews, you can increase your rates and take on higher paying projects. Web developers and designers can offer services like creating websites, designing logos, or offering technical support. The key to success on these platforms is building a strong portfolio, delivering high-quality work, and maintaining consistent communication with clients. Over time, you'll build a reputation, which will help you command higher rates and secure long-term clients. Coming in at number 9, we have online course creation. Creating and selling online courses is another powerful way to make $1,000 a week. If you have expertise in a particular field, you can package that knowledge into a course and sell it on platforms like Udemy, Teachable, or Skillshare. The beauty of selling courses is that it allows you to generate passive income. Once you've created the course, it can continue to make money for you long after the initial work is done. The key to success in course creation is choosing a niche that you are not only knowledgeable in, but one that also has a demand. Popular course categories include personal development, digital marketing, business skills, programming, photography, fitness, and language learning. Think about what you can teach that would help others solve a problem or improve a skill. Once you've identified a topic, break it down into modules or lessons, and then create engaging, easy-to-follow video content. You can even supplement the course with downloadable resources or quizzes. Marketing your course through social media, email newsletters, or partnerships with influencers can help you reach a wider audience. The more courses you create, the more revenue streams you develop. At number 8, dropshipping makes its way onto our list. Dropshipping is a business model where you sell products to customers without ever handling the inventory. Instead, when someone makes a purchase, you buy the item from a third-party supplier who ships it directly to the customer. This eliminates the need to hold inventory, making dropshipping one of the most accessible online businesses to start. All you need is a website or an e-commerce store, and you can start selling almost immediately. Platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, and BigCommerce allow you to easily set up an online store and connect with suppliers through apps like Oberlo or Spocket. Finding a profitable niche and creating a brand around it can help you stand out from the competition. Once your store is set up and running, you can drive traffic using paid ads on Facebook or Google. And you can also work on growing your organic traffic through search engine optimization, SEO, and content marketing. Dropshipping requires time and effort to find the right products and suppliers, but with persistence, it can generate a consistent income stream. Number 7 brings us affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is another popular method to make money online, especially for those who enjoy creating content. With affiliate marketing, you earn a commission by promoting other people's products or services. All you need to do is find an affiliate program, get a unique referral link, and start promoting it through your website, blog, or social media accounts. When someone clicks on your affiliate link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. Affiliate marketing works especially well if you have a blog, YouTube channel, or a large social media following. Niche websites or YouTube channels focused on specific topics, such as health, fitness, personal finance, or technology, are ideal for affiliate marketing because they allow you to recommend products and services to an engaged audience. Popular affiliate programs include Amazon Associates, ClickBank, and Commission Junction. Your honesty and integrity will earn trust, which will ultimately lead to higher conversions. Number 6 is virtual assistants. If you're highly organized and have strong communication skills, becoming a virtual assistant, VA, might be the perfect option for you. Virtual assistants provide administrative support to businesses or entrepreneurs from a remote location. Tasks can include scheduling appointments, managing emails, social media management, customer service, data entry, or even personal assistance. Many small businesses and busy entrepreneurs are willing to pay top dollar for someone who can take care of these tasks, allowing them to focus on their core business activities. You can find VA work on freelance platforms or specialized VA job boards like Belay, Time Etc., or VA Networking. The best part about being a VA is the flexibility. It can be a full-time or part-time gig, and you can choose the clients you work with. To get started, develop a list of services you can offer, build your portfolio, and market your services to businesses in need. Coming in at number 5, we have social media management. If you are social media savvy and enjoy creating content, social media management could be a lucrative way to earn money online. Many businesses need help with managing their social media accounts, posting engaging content, and responding to customer inquiries. If you're proficient with platforms like Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, or LinkedIn, you can offer your services as a social media manager. You can get started by reaching out to local businesses or startups who may need social media support. Social media managers are responsible for content creation, engagement strategies, scheduling posts, and tracking analytics to optimize social media performance. With brands investing heavily in social media marketing, skilled social media managers are in high demand. At number 4, we have content creation on YouTube. Content creation on YouTube is another popular way to make money online. YouTube is the second largest search engine in the world, and it offers massive opportunities for creators to earn money through ads, sponsorships, and merchandise. If you have a passion for creating videos, whether it's about travel, cooking, gaming, or tech reviews, you can build a channel and grow an audience that generates income. To start making money on YouTube, you need to become a YouTube partner, which requires meeting certain criteria, such as having 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours over the past year. Once you're eligible, you can start monetizing your videos with ads. Additionally, brands often reach out to YouTubers with large audiences for sponsored content. As you grow, you can diversify your revenue streams by selling merchandise or offering online courses. Consistency, creativity, and engagement are key to growing your channel and generating substantial income. Number 3 is creating and selling your own digital products. If you have a creative streak, consider creating and selling your own digital products. This can include ebooks, printables, digital art, photography, or even software. The beauty of selling digital products is that once you create them, they can be sold over and over again, without any additional work on your part. Platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, and Shopify allow you to set up a storefront for your digital products. You can market your products via social media, email marketing, or collaborations with influencers. Popular digital products include templates, planners, online courses, and downloadable art. The key to success with digital products is finding a niche market and offering products that people are actively searching for. At number 2, we have online coaching. Online coaching is another effective method to generate income. If you have expertise in a particular area, whether it's fitness, business, life coaching, or personal development, you can offer coaching services online. You don't need to have a formal certification to start coaching, but having credentials and experience will definitely help you stand out. To get started, create a website or use platforms like Teachable, Zoom, or Skype to offer one-on-one sessions or group coaching programs. You can also offer packages or subscriptions, allowing clients to access your expertise over a period of time. As you build your client base and get testimonials, you can increase your rates and even scale by offering group sessions or online courses. And finally, at number 1, we have blogging and affiliate marketing. Blogging is one of the most popular and effective ways to make money online. If you enjoy writing and have expertise in a particular niche, blogging can become a passive income source. With blogging, you can monetize through ads, sponsored posts, and affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing, in particular, is a lucrative strategy where you earn commissions by promoting products and services through affiliate links on your blog. To start a blog, choose a niche, create valuable content, and grow your audience through SEO and social media marketing. Once you have a steady stream of traffic, sign up for affiliate programs related to your niche. Promote products that align with your content and audience's needs, and you'll earn commissions for every sale made through your referral links. And there you have it! 10 effective ways to make $1,000 a week online in 2025. From freelancing to blogging, the options are endless. The key is consistency, dedication, and choosing methods that align with your skills and interests. Remember, it's not about working harder, but smarter. By leveraging the power of the internet, you can create multiple income streams that will help you achieve your financial goals. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more valuable content like this. Best of luck with your online ventures, and we'll see you in the next video.